queen. Today I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial how to make a head wrap and a little hair locks natural black goddess queen hair maintenance moisturizing. I use kids, what it is. If you have nothing to say, keep it quiet, okay? Mommy's doing something. Mommy's working. Shh. So okay, so I'm gonna show you a quick little hair maintenance products to use. I have here shea butter and cacao, delicious chocolate creamy product, 100% natural, of course. And I mix it. I'm gonna mix both with some Florida water. I love it. Love, 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 love the smell, the refreshment, and it's also very you know, cleansing, and it helps you to keep you well protected. You know, your energy, your aura is fresh, it's clear, it smells good. You just, it's a good mix, a very very good mix to have on your hair. So before the head wrap, I'm going to swatch. I basically crush it like this. I put some on my hair.
Oh no.
Okay. The root too, but because I'll tell you the truth, I put oil already on my hair. Which oil? I forget the name of the oil, but I use a very good oil. It's a new oil I bought on special to try, and it's very good. It's a flower. So anyway, my scalp is already moisturized, but normally I would, you know, dig into it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, you splash it, you just psh, psh, and you're good to go. And then you spread it. You spread it yourself. Oh, the smell. It smells so feminine, so floral. Florida water really smells very floral. Yes. Alright. So I'm gonna use a headband for elastic. Very big, very thick, large. It you know, I roll it in two. There we go. So I flip the hair, put it in a ponytail, a bun, I think, yeah, a bun. So you choose, so from now you're gonna choose how high you want the head wrap. So if you want it low, you're gonna do, of course, you know, a low bun. And if you want a high top type of head wrap, you're gonna go with a higher bun. But me, I want it kind of medium at my ears type. This is what I like to do at my ears, right in between, high and low, you know, balance. So yeah, this is the bun. So now there's, of course, hair that are not inside. You just tuck it in. There we go. If you want it really clean, you can, you know, do this. Sometimes I like to have my baby locks out, or, you know, just, I don't really care. So today I think, let's make it clean. Let's make it clean. Yeah. Don't even really know. Oh, but normally, okay, when I grab everything, I have to make it higher. So you know what? See, I was on the right path. Now I doubt myself. Here it is, okay? Tuck everything back in. Boom, boom. Do you see? Dark green with like artsy pattern. Very bohemian. It have like some string on the side. So it's huge. It's very big. I'm gonna have to fold it in two. You know, you fold it in two like this. It make it also not see-through. You know, it's more thicker. So you put it on your head like this. There we go. So you press it down like that. Now it's gonna be okay. Perfect. Okay, you know what? Today I'm gonna do it backward. Sometimes you can do it upward. That's gonna be another tutorial for another day, queen. But right now I'm gonna do it backward. So y'all get an inch of 2 metal. I just figure out like how I want it. Yeah, this is the style I want. Yes. I'm gonna leave some hair out. Let's leave the baby locks. Yes, and those short ones out. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming, okay? Okay. Oh, I didn't show you. So I'm gonna tie the back. I hope y'all see. I hope you see. I'm not gonna do it again. Okay, baby, I'm coming. I'm coming now. Hold on. Oh, whew, okay, baby on me. Okay, so I think it's gonna be it. You know, as simple as it was, just a basic layout and tie it in the back and leave the 2 string out. I think that's it. That's cute. What do you mean? And look, it's perfect. You know, very late. My hair look heavier. Yes. So this is it. This is it. That was the tutorial. So more light. I sending you more light, more clarity, more peace, balance, and love. Love.